Struggling to choose between Flowise and Dify for your AI automation needs? Let's break down which tool reigns supreme. First, Flowise. Imagine building complex AI workflows visually. Flowise's drag-and-drop interface makes it incredibly easy to connect different AI models, data sources, and APIs. Simply select your desired components and connect them to define your automation flow. The power lies in its modularity, allowing you to tailor workflows precisely. Now, on to Dify. This platform excels at providing pre-built AI applications that you can customize and deploy with minimal coding. Dify offers templates for various use cases, such as chatbots, content creation, and data analysis. Easily adjust parameters to fine-tune the application to your specific requirements. It's about quick deployment with efficient customization. Consider Flowise for extensive flexibility and control over your AI workflows, ideal for users with some technical expertise. But choose Dify for rapid deployment of ready-to-use AI applications, perfect for those prioritizing speed and simplicity. Pricing is key. Both offer free tiers to get started, but Dify's paid plans are structured around usage, while Flowise's are often geared towards self-hosting. Evaluate which model best fits your budget and scale requirements. Integration power. Flowise boasts broad integrations, connecting to numerous data sources and third-party services. Dify focuses on streamlined integrations within its ecosystem, simplifying the process for common AI tasks. Ultimately, the best tool depends on your skills and project needs. Flowise for customizability, Dify for streamlined deployment. So, which tool will you choose to unlock your AI automation potential?